This is Cookin' in Brooklyn with Danny Milano, and I'm Danny Milano, and today we're cooking sausage and peppers. Remember to like and to subscribe to the Bridgeside Network, and if you know anything about Bridgeside, it's always a sausage fest over here. Hey, go Bridgeside! All right, we're gonna begin with showing you what we got here. I got some hot sausage links, I got some sweet sausage links, we got green peppers, white onions, and some red peppers. So I got the pot of boiling water. I'm gonna throw the sausage in there first. Now you don't have to throw them in water, but I like to boil them for about 7 minutes. It's a little easier with the texture when you cut it up, and you can cook the sausage through a little better as well. So let's place that into the water. 6 to 7 minutes we're gonna boil these sausages. Throw some olive oil into our other pan. Then let's cut up our peppers and onions. Just want to let you guys know out there, we got the presence of the sausage eating contest champion of the world over here.
Champion of Bridgeside Sausage Eating Contest!
Mr. David Casanova. Dave takes great pride in eating his sausage.
Can't wait to try your sausage. So Dan, is this a traditional Italian dish or is it more of like an Italian-American Brooklyn thing?
It is. I mean, they do make sausage and peppers in Italy, but this is more traditionally a New York thing, you know, with the sandwiches and everything. And, you know, us being from Brooklyn, we got the 18th Avenue Feast, the Santa Rosalia, we got the Lucy stand, the San Gennaro Feast.
Look forward to it every year.
Always looking for a sausage and pepper stand. In this dish, I'm gonna use a little bit of tomato sauce. I have a simple marinara sauce there. Okay, so I'm gonna put that flame on. We're just gonna heat that up at a low flame. We're gonna start our flame here for our pan with the olive oil. In the meantime, we're gonna get our sausages out. We got the sausage right next to the beautiful Italian flag, if you haven't noticed yet. Forza Italia. I think our oil's hot. What do you think? All right, we'll start off with the onions. Let's throw them in. Green peppers in. Throw our red peppers in. Gonna add a little bit more olive oil. So we're gonna cut our sausage up. I'm gonna cut the links this way, but if you were gonna make a sandwich, I would suggest you cut them long ways, okay? Let's mix these up a little bit. We've got a nice colorful dish going here. We got the green popping out, the red popping out. It's a beautiful thing. And we're gonna cover this lid up for a little bit. Let it heat up. All right, so this is coming to life a little bit. See the onions are caramelizing, the peppers are starting to melt down a little bit. We are gonna add a little bit of salt. My grandma would say, just un brisineng, the dialect, un brisineng, just a little touch. Now we're gonna add the sausage into the pan. Let's mix that around a little bit. There we go. Grab the sauce. Put it over here. Nice, look at this. You don't wanna overdo it with the sauce. Mix that through fully a little bit. And then, I'm gonna cover this up and let this cook for about 15 minutes. All right, so what you wanna do is you wanna come up and you wanna check on the sausage every few minutes and you wanna stir occasionally, you know? A little checkup for the old sausage. Wow, look at that. It smells delish. All right, so let's swap this. Get you a plate, Dave. Mix it up, make sure we get a little bit of everything for you. Some peppers, onions, a little sauce.
You should get the hot sausage for me.
It's mixed, don't worry, you'll find it. And here it is, good old sausage and peppers, an old Brooklyn dish. And Dave, you're gonna enjoy this one.
Just the way I like it, thank you. I like how the hot and sweet sausage complement each other, just as the green and red peppers do.
So what do you think about the tomato sauce? Does it add any texture into that? I like it personally. I like the sauce when it hits, you know, when it blends in with the peppers.
I normally like sausage and peppers with just olive oil, but the red sauce on this is absolutely delicious. It really adds something different.
This goes great with, you know, like a dish of pasta, but really I prefer it over some rice. And, you know, I was gonna cook it for you, but I think you really don't eat the extra carbs. This was another Cookin' in Brooklyn with Danny Milano. And once you try my salsich, forget about the 18th Avenue feast. Minchia papa.
Go Bridgeside.
Hey guys, I want to thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget, like and subscribe to Bridgeside Network. And do not miss, I'm making a filet mignon. We're gonna grill it up and then I'm gonna cook it in a creamy marsala sauce with mushrooms. Arrivederci, until next time.